In this video of vegetables in disguise, I'm going to be making roasted acorn squash with ricotta cheese, some fruit, and a drizzle of honey. So the acorn squash need to be cut into quarters. I happen to cut another one into fifths. 2 tablespoons of oil, olive oil, with some salt and cracked pepper. And just place the acorn squash on the tray and drizzle it with the oil mixture. And just roll them over on their sides. And now we have a preheated oven, 425, and we're going to slide these little babies in there for about 40 minutes. All right, so the acorn squash is finished roasting. So I'm just going to place it on a plate. Dollop some ricotta cheese on each. You can also use burrata cheese as well. Feel free to get creative when you're cooking. You can substitute like foods. Yeah, put some fruit on top. Once again, you can use pomegranates. I'm using mango. Drizzle a little honey on top. And then a little dash of nutmeg. Nice winter recipe. And voila! We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.